Namaste, sir.
Good
afternoon, sir.
This is iPhone. Anis Acharya's way. Let's wait for a couple of more minutes and we'll start off.
Sir. Good morning, sir. Good afternoon, sir. I mean, yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Kharelji?
Good afternoon, sir.
Kharelji?
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon,
Good afternoon,
Sir, I have submitted the homework.
Excuse me?
I also have submitted my homework.
Yeah.
Me too, sir.
So let's talk about the homework submission. Only 15 students have submitted the homework, okay? Which is pretty bad result. All right, so we'll have to improve that number, okay? So I don't know why guys are neglecting the homework. Abusan Koirala, I haven't got your homework.
Sir, I have submitted. See, you are.
No, you have to submit here, Babu, in the classroom, okay? Abusan.
Sir, I have submitted in the classroom. You can see again. I have submitted.
Again. In fact, I'm checking it right now. Abusan Koirala is missing here.
Sir, I have also submitted.
Yeah.
I think I forget it to end in.
Bro, Abhinav Babu, wait, Abhinav. You also haven't submitted the homework.
Sir, I have submitted. You have given me marks too.
Yeah, I mean, I have got you. Thank you for that.
I have also.
Sir, we can see our classmates' answer in this one.
Oh, no, you cannot. All right, so let's get along with today's topic, okay? As usual, we start off from where we left. And that is the assignment for the previous class, okay? Okay, Abushan, you're showing something. No, but I haven't got it, Babu.
I have submitted.
So I haven't got it so far, so I will check it
I
once
think
again.
you don't have turn in it here.
Yeah, you should turn in, okay? You don't have to submit, you have to turn in. There is an option called turn in. You have to use that option. Today we'll learn a new topic, which will be division, okay? So far we have learned how to subtract, how to add, and how to multiply the algebraic expressions. Now we will learn how to divide the algebraic expressions, okay? So the first question was 4 ko 8 थियो, where we had to do 3x bracket ma थियो 2x plus 4, okay? So कति जनाले चाहिँ यस्तो गर्नु भएको छ कि मैले त्यहाँनिर नोट त गर्दिएको छैन, तर कति जनाले चाहिँ 3x multiplied by 2x plus 4 plus 3x लेख्नु भएको छ, okay? Which is wrong, okay? एकदमै incorrect छ. It is very incorrect. Why? Because we are not adding here, we are multiplying, okay? हामीले यहाँ multiply गरिरहेको छौं. Okay, look here. Yani it's a 3x, okay? The multiplier here is a 3x, and it has to multiply both 2x and 4, okay? Both the terms. We have to multiply 2x and 4. So,
Sir, first of all, we should multiply the sign, yes?
yes, first of all, we will multiply the sign. And you submit this is pretty wrong, okay? 3x should multiply 2x and 4. The bracket sign stands for that, right? Bracket 2x or 4 dubai 3x ko ho 3x dubai multiply garnu parcha. All right? Now, whoever was confused and is confused, please look at the board, screen carefully. Okay, so 3x here should multiply both 2x and 4. But before that, we have to multiply the sign. Since there is plus sign in 3x, so it doesn't matter. So 3x should multiply 2x. All right, 3x should multiply 2x. Now we do the multiplication of the sign. We multiply the sign. 3x agadi plus and in front of 4 there is plus. So plus will give us plus. Okay, plus le hamle again ke dincha ta hamलाई plus नै दिन्छ. Now 3x should multiply 4. Okay.
Sir, in front of 4 too.
Excuse me. In front of 4, Babu. This is in front of 4. Okay. In front of 2 there is, again in front of 2 there is nothing. If there is nothing, there is always plus. Okay, there is always positive sign. Okay, all right. So यहाँसम्म बुझेपछि अब I don't think you will have any problem because हामीले गरिसकेका छौं मोनोमियलको कुरा हो यो अब. Now we multiply the numbers, the coefficients, and add the powers of the same bases. Okay, just like this. Plus again we have
table
4x. Okay. All right. Now we will have 6x square plus 12x. Wrong. I'm still getting the noise disturbance. Can you please mute your mic and do not speak unless I tell you to? Thank you. All right, this is the correct answer. Most of you have submitted the right answer. Whoever has submitted, wrong. Plus, the most of you haven't submitted your homework. Okay, so you'll have to submit your homework.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, you said there is only multiply sign. Then how there came that plus in front of 3?
Yeah, Babu. यहाँ हेर्नुस् है, यो बिचमा मल्टिप्लाई छ त हैन र, यसले यसलाई मल्टिप्लाई गर्छ नि त फाल्टे, यो बिचमा त प्लस छ, सो यो प्लसलाई त साइन मल्टिप्लाई गर्नु पर्यो भनेपछि दिस प्लस कम्स हियर. के दिस प्लस कम्स हियर. Okay, यो प्लस चाहिँ यहाँनिर शिफ्ट भयो because प्लस प्लस गिभ्स अस प्लस. Okay, this would be your correct answer. है, कतिजनाले रङ गर्नु भएको छ. This is your chance to correct your answers. अनि next question was D number. But D gardina because D is similar to this one. You have to do D on your own. Let's do J number. Okay, can I rub this now? Okay, I'm rubbing it. Okay, I'm rubbing it off.
Okay.
Now that in J number the question was minus 3PQ minus 3PQ 2P plus 7Q. Okay, this was your question. Here, we have to do the same thing here again. But remember to multiply the sign first. Okay, we need to multiply the sign first. And the sign like multiply. If we do not do that, it will all be okay. Now, this one can I expect to Vaibhav Chaulagai? Vaibhav Chaulagai. Vaibhav, unmute Garnus. Can you please unmute yourself? Problem to unmute Garnalai. Ask your sister. Yeah, Vaibhav, can you please speak? Vaibhav, sound maybe there's something technical problem. To check fix let me come to Mr. Sudip Tharu. Sudip ji.
Okay, sir.
Sudip ji. Sudip ji.
Yes, sir, I'm listening.
Yeah. Sudip ji, first of all 3PQ 2P multiply because 3PQ has to multiply both 2P and 7Q individually. So, first ma 2P ko. So, 2P multiply first, if you have to multiply 2P, you have to multiply sign. Okay, what is in front of 3PQ, Babu?
Minus sign.
What is in front of 2P?
2P, there is nothing, means
Nothing
it is
means plus. So,
Plus.
minus and plus gives us?
minus.
Minus plus?
Minus.
Minus. Very good. So, here we have minus. Now, 3PQ will multiply 2P. Okay, individually we are multiplying these terms individually. Again, Sudipji, Fairy, the next thing we gotta do is we have to multiply 7Q by 3PQ. Okay, before doing that,
sir.
we need to multiply their sign. We have to sign multiply. So what is in front of 7Q?
Plus sign.
What is in front of minus 3? What is in front of 3PQ?
Minus.
What will give us minus plus? What is the result of minus and plus in multiplication?
Minus, plus, and minus.
Minus. Very good. Now 3PQ will multiply 7Q.
7Q.
Thank you, Sudipji. See, hey, this is pretty easy, pretty simple. So, Palo individually multiply garden parsa. The now it's pretty basic. We need to multiply the coefficients, which is 3 times 2. p को पावर दुईटा p छ हामीसँग भनेपछि पावर एड हुने भयो यतापटि 1 छ सेकेन्डमा पनि 1 छ but for q there is only one q so q को power add हुँदैन because there is only one q the powers of q won't be added minus again we need to multiply the signs the coefficients first since there is only one p the powers are not added but we have two q's there two q's and both the q's have power 1 so their powers will be added so it will be 1 plus 1 will give us minus 6 p square q minus 21 pq square. Does anyone have any confusion regarding this question here?
No, sir. Sir, sir, I have the same answer, but I haven't done that in your way. I have done in another way.
Which way, Babu?
Sir, my answer is correct.
Sir, that in 3PQ by adding individually that in that what I've done like that in that if you we multiply that individually and in last we kept that same. Sir, you can see my answer from that you're given that homework.
Okay, is your name is Suyog in your class as well?
Yes, sir. Suyog Vista.
Suyog Vista ko class आकै छैन बाबु सबमिसन नै देखाएको छैन यहाँ. It hasn't been shown.
Sir, but I have submitted it.
I don't know what problem is there, but like my कति जना 15 जना मात्र पास हो अनि Suyog Vista को पनि आछ छैन, आभूषण को पनि आछ छैन. Okay, you have to submit. You have to use the turn in. Okay, Suyog balla आयो या. You're now came. Yeah, you have done directly, which is not a problem. The problem छैन है. मैले प्रोसेस नबुझ्नलाई मात्र यो प्रोसेस नबुझ्नलाई मात्रै मैले यो गर्न लाए. नभए तपाईको करेक्ट छ सुयोग जी. I have given you 6 on 6, right? Okay. So I have given you a classwork, everyone. So like a classwork, so I have given you a classwork under the topic CW12-1. CW12-1, you have to do it right now. Ani तपाईहरुले चाहिँ कपीमा लेखेर फोटो अट्याच गरेर पठाउनु पर्नेछ. You will be given 6 minutes to do so. Okay, you have to do it in copy, then take a picture and attach the answer.
Sir, how many questions?
Only one question. Only one question. It's under the topic CW12-1. CW12-1, everyone. You'll be given not 6 minutes, you'll be given 5 minutes.
Where's the where's
Okay, I've given the
where's
work.
the picture?
There.
So
where's the picture, sir?
You haven't got the picture?
So
No, sir.
No, there is a picture. I have attached the picture.
In Google Classroom.
Yeah, Google Classroom.
got the picture.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I've seen that.
I got it.
Okay, this is the question. This is the question on your screen. This is the question. Okay. There's a question and please do the answer. I'm looking at the screen right now. Submit just do it in a copy and just submit your answer. Okay, you have 5 minutes to do so. Very correct answer, Dirasaji.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Thank you indeed. Samji ko pani aisakya cha. You have 1 minute, everyone. You have 1 minute. Come on, hurry up, hurry up. Excuse me.
Sir, photo कसरी पठाउने गरेको?
The attachment गर्ने option छ होला नि?
Yes, sir.
हो त्यो अप्सनमा थिच्ने अनि त्यसमा थिचेपछि फोटो हाल्ने अप्सन आउँछ बाबु है फाइल अपलोड गर्ने.
Okay, sir.
समीप जी को पनि very correct answer. Thank you, Samip ji. You have 1 minute. You have 1 minute to submit your answers. Okay. So let's halt it there. नगरी सक्नु भएकोले अहिले भरे गरेर जानु होला. मैले एलिस आचार्यको आछ र दिपेन्द्र खड्का पनि आइसकेको छ. Dipender Khadul means
Yes, sir.
Elis Acharya ko wrong bhayeko cha. Please check garnu hola actually. Who is Elis Acharya?
Sir, he's not here. Sir, Onis.
हैन अलिस छ एलिस छ एलिस दिपेन्द्र खरेलको त केही आकै छैन अट्याचमेन्टै आएको छैन
Sir, I have sent.
यहाँ आएको छैन बाबु
Sir, I have submitted.
ओके ओके एभ्रीवन सबैले अगाडि ध्यान दिएर हेर्नुहोस् अब आम गर्न सेयर द स्क्रिन टु यु अब हामी नयाँ टपिक गरिरहेको छौँ आजको लागि अगाडि हेर्नु होला ओके एभ्रीवन सबैले स्क्रिनमा ध्यान दिएर हेर्नु होला
Sir, your sound is being echoed.
डिभिजन वी आर लर्निङ डिभिजन ओके
सर हजुरको साउन्ड इको आइरहेछ
कसको माइक अन छ माइक म्युट गरिदिनुस् न प्लिज ओके
17 participants only, sir.
Okay, so the topic for today is division of algebraic expressions. Okay, we are going to learn how to divide the algebraic expressions to one another. Example को लागि चाहिँ हामी मोनोमियल युज गर्छौं अब यहाँ सुन्नुस् डिवाइड र मल्टिप्लाई भन्नाले उस्तै हो सेम काइन्ड हामी जसरी जेनरली मल्टिप्लाई गर्थ्यौं त्यसरी नै हामी जेनरली डिवाइड गर्छौं we will divide generally we will operate the division generally. The only difference is in multiplication the powers of the same bases were added, but in division the powers of same bases are subtracted. Okay, the powers of same bases are subtracted. अरु गर्ने त्यही हो हामी sin sin multiply गर्छ we divide the coefficients first we first multiply the sign then we divide the coefficients then we subtract the powers if there are any same basis. Example हेर्नु सबैले divide 6x to the power 7 by minus 2x to the power 2xy to the power 3. This is an example. Okay, so first of all we have to put it in the form of the division. यसो राख्नु पर्यो division को फर्ममा राख्नु पर्यो हेर्नुस् त by लाई हामीले रिप्लेस गरेर divide राख्दियौं. Since there was minus we have to use bracket because two signs cannot come together simultaneously. Yes
Sir, मेरो आयो
त्यो पछि भन्छु म ल म चेक गर्छु आज चाहिँ छैन ओके अहिले हामी यहाँ फोकस गरौँ न है सो minus 2xy क्युबले डिवाइड गर्नुपर्छ and we keep it in this form. Next thing we do is हामीले चाहिँ फ्र्याक्सन बनाउँछौं फ्र्याक्सन यस अगाडिकोलाई माथि the divisor goes in the denominator. Okay, the dividend goes in the numerator, the divisor goes in the denominator. While doing it we multiply the sign. We multiply the sign. हेर्नुस् त यहाँ सबैले हेर्नुस् है अगाडि साइन कसरी गर्यो भन्दाखेरि 6 को अगाडि प्लस छ 2 को अगाडि माइनस छ so minus plus gave us minus. Okay, right, ठीक छ. Now let's move forward. यति गरिसकेपछि the first thing we do is we multiply the sign. भर्खर भनिसकेको छु we multiply the sign ल हेर्नुस् है यहाँ अब minus आयो माथि प्लस तल माइनस हेर्नुस् है in the numerator there is plus in the denominator there is minus. See? Plus minus will give us minus. First of all हामीले divide कोमा राख्यो then we turn it into the fraction and then we multiply the sign first. Divide नै भए पनि multiply the sign. Then what we do next is we divide the coefficients. We divide the coefficients. Multiply ma जस्तै हो multiply ma we would multiply the coefficients first. Here we divide the coefficients first. So 2 ले 3 6 लाई डिवाइड गर्दा आन्सर कति आउँदो रहेछ त 3 because 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Now as I told you before starting this one that in division the powers of the same bases are subtracted. See, in multiplication power would be added but in division powers are subtracted. See, here in the numerator there is x, in denominator there is another x. That means there are two x's in division. In division, so in division the powers are subtracted. हेर्नुस् है माथिको पावर छ 1 तलको पावर छ 1 बिचमा साइन के भयो minus. Why? Because the powers are subtracted. Right? Same goes with y. There is y and y in both the numerator and denominator. So माथिको पावर छ 7 and तलको पावर छ 3. So माथिकोबाट तलको घटाइदिने. Okay? Now this only difference के रहेछ त we subtract the powers of the same bases in division. Okay? Now there's nothing to do. It's only a simple mathematics. See, like this. So our answer is minus 3x to the power 0, y to the power 4. But remember, if the power
Sir, we
is
should
0,
write 0 also.
no, wait. म भन्दैछु, if the power here, यहाँ हेर्नुस् है सबैले, यहाँ चाहिँ power कति छ त 0 छ. Here the power is 0. So जसको power 0 छ त्यसलाई लेख्नु पर्दैन. त्यसलाई हामीले simply ignore गर्दै हुन्छ because power 0 हुनु भनेको जहिले पनि 1 हो value. Okay? So our answer would be something like this. Minus 3y to the power 4. अब x कहाँ हरायो? Because x has power 0. Because x has power 0, हामीले x लाई लेखिराख्न परेन. But on the other hand, y has power 4. So हामीले y लाई चाहिँ लेख्न पर्यो. We have to write y. This is how we do. Okay? This is an example. अब हामी एउटा अर्को example गर्छौं.
Sir, when will this class video will come on YouTube?
Maybe tomorrow.
Sir, I am asking because my internet just swapped.
Okay, it's okay. Maybe tomorrow it will come, or maybe like day after tomorrow. It will not take more than 2 days, okay? Because we are rigorously uploading all the videos on the YouTube. Please do follow our YouTube channel. Our school YouTube channel is funny. Just follow, subscribe, and you can have all the contents of it, okay? Our class we have uploaded all the materials there, okay? So you don't have to worry about it. Alright, so let's move forward with another example, okay? Alright, so I'm gonna share another screen in the Word. So let's see here. Okay, so we have 9y to the power 6, okay? 9y to the power 6 divided by 9y to the power 6 divided by 3y to the power 4. 3y to the power 4. And say, okay? So look here carefully. Okay. So we will just keep this in the form of fraction. In the form of fraction. Fraction go form fraction. And you say, simply like first of all, what we do here is fraction form fraction. Just like this. See? Okay? In the form of fraction. That is the numerator. That is the denominator. Okay? Now the next thing we do here is we multiply the sign. Dubaima sign say plus bhayekole kehi garnai pareन. We don't have to do anything because the sign already is plus. So हामीले केही गरिराख्नु पर्यो त? पर्दैन. We don't have to do anything because plus always gives us plus. So what we do next is we divide the coefficients, right? So 9 is divided by 3. How much is the answer?
3.
3. Very good. 3. Y. Y is there. Okay. Mathi pani Y cha, tala pani Y cha. So powers are subtracted. So Suyog, can I please talk to you?
Yes, sir.
मलाई भनिदिनुस् त पावरमा के लेख्नु पर्ला हामीले अब?
4.
Why do you think it's 4?
Listen, sir. So what do we have to do here?
Subtract the powers, babu. Same base छ. Y र Y same base हो. हेर्नुस् त माथि पनि Y छ, तल पनि Y छ. So हामीले चाहिँ power subtract गर्नुपर्छ. Don't do it directly.
3, 5, 2.
Excuse me. This is not 5.
Oh, 3 y.
Okay. What we do here is we subtract the power. Right? The answer is very correct, but we should not skip that step. Okay. So what we do here is 6 minus 4. What we write here? 6 minus 4. But in the next step, answer answer. You are very correct. 6x 6 minus 4 the last month 2. Ultimately, so this is our answer. This is our answer. Okay.
Me, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Hazur.
Area that line that the internet has gone, that electricity
Excuse
has
me,
gone.
तपाईँको भोइस सानो आएर सकुन्जे I'm having problem hearing you. अलिक ठुलो बोलिदिनुहोस् न है.
Sir, yes.
Mhm.
In our area, that electricity has gone, so I can't attend the class.
Yes, Sagun, in mine also.
Okay, it's okay. ठिकै छ. त्यसको लागि भिडियोहरु युट्युबमा आउँछ त्यो हेर्नुस् है.
May I ask a question?
Yes, please.
Can we expand and cut after that?
Yeah,
We can
यस्तो छ
divide,
नानी है. त्यो पनि गर्न मिल्छ, but that is outdated. हामीले 5 क्लाससम्म त्यसरी गर्थ्यौं. हामी एक्सपान्ड गर्थ्यौं, जस्तै y to the power 6 चाहिँ y into y into y into y 6 चोटी y लेखेर तलमाथि काट्थ्यौं. But now हामी चाहिँ laws of indices हामी पढ्छौं नेक्स्ट क्लासमा, सो त्यसको लागि चाहिँ हामी प्रिपेयर गर्नुपर्छ. This is the method, okay? हामीले यसरी गर्ने.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I have done like that.
Okay.
Sir,
All right, so everyone, I've given you an assignment under the topic CW12-2. However, if you haven't finished CW12-1, then you can finish गर्नुपर्छ र यो पनि finish गर्नुपर्छ, okay? You have to finish both, and the deadline is tomorrow. So please submit your assignments in time, okay? Thank you for attending the class today. I hope today's class was very fruitful to you. Keep problem छ भने